I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring the iPhone won't die mid-process. Plug it in or get the battery above 50%. Next, open Settings and tap your name at the top to access Apple ID options. You want to tap Sign Out now and enter your Apple ID password when prompted. This disables activation lock and removes the account from the device. Once signed out, you'll be ready to remove iCloud data and reset without complications. Once signed out is underway, go through the iCloud toggles and disable services you want removed from the phone: Photos, Contacts, Keychain, and iCloud Backup. Make intentional choices. Choose Keep on iPhone if you want local copies, otherwise remove from iPhone to clear cloud-linked data. Don't forget to turn off Find My iPhone first. It's required to fully sign out and prevents activation lock. This step ensures your data is detached from Apple's cloud and ready for a reset or new account. Now finalize by erasing the device. Go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Transfer, or Reset, right arrow Erase all content in Settings. You will enter your passcode and Apple ID credentials to confirm. This removes remaining iCloud links and wipes the phone. After erasure, the device restarts to the setup screen, showing it's no longer tied to your account. If activation still blocks you, sign into iCloud.com to remove the device or contact Apple support. That troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.